show why aftercare is crucial when wanting a clean wax. I'll be using Sexy Smooth Wax Tickled Pink, and here you can see how the hair is inside the skin. Before waxing, I did cleanse and prep the skin with waxing lovely pre-waxing oil. How all those hairs stayed behind. To help you get the best wax results, make sure to be dry brushing, exfoliating with a 50 grit towel or chemical exfoliation, and follow up with moisturizing. Very good, since our legs do tend to be on the drier side. Going in with a cleanup strip to see if we can pick up any more of those hairs. Not a lot of wax specialists will keep going at them, squeezing one by one. It's a handful that will go that extra step, but help them out doing your part at home for the best results. Hope this helps demonstrating a little more of why we have those stragglers left.